Welcome to May 4th, this week in graphic design, year 2. For this week, we're going to continue working through the intro video. My goal today is to show you what you are going to be doing and turning in this week. It's essentially a screencast, but there's several components. So I want to show you where the resources are for that. For this week's Ed Puzzle, it's pretty short, just a couple minutes. Should be pretty fun. It is due by Thursday. Remember, I'm taking attendance based on the Ed Puzzle, so you want to make sure that you complete that. And then for those that had issues with your browser not loading it, I did put a link inside of the Ed Puzzle that you can click on. So as far as this week, the assignment is going to be, you're going to be doing a rough draft, like 10 to 15 rough draft sketches of your logo. Then you're going to convert that in Illustrator into an actually designed logo. If you are unable to install Illustrator on your machine, you can use Photopea or Photoshop for creating your logo. You just want to make sure that it's 300 dots per inch if you do that. You're then going to do a layout in the of a business card, and I've got assignment sheets for all of these. I'll show you where those are at in a moment. But you're going to do a layout for your business card. You can do a one-sided or two-sided business card, totally up to you. With the business card, once again, based on the software you have access to, use that software. Then you're going to look at concert flyers, and you're going to pin like 8 to 10 concert flyers. You can do more than that if you want, to your band mood board. You don't have to use Behance to be able to find those, but you might check there. There may be some interesting designs, but if you've got other bands or styles of music that you're interested in, you can just do a straight Google search and pin those to your Pinterest board. For your screencast, you're going to be going through and you're going to show me your sketches. Best way to do that is just take a photo of the paper of your sketches and drop it on your phone or your computer. Show me your sketches, kind of talk me through briefly what your thoughts were for your logo. Then show me your logo. You're not actually going to turn in the logo right now, but I just want to see what it looks like. And then show me your business card, whether it's one or two-sided. Then you're going to show me the Pinterest board that explains why you were drawn towards some of those particular concert flyers. And that screencast will be posted, and that will be the only thing that you're actually turning in. So the screencast is just going to give me an overview of your progress in your sketches to the actual designed logo, your business card rough draft, and your flyer inspiration. And then there'll be a short exit slip. And as always, the office hours are available Tuesday at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I know that's early, but that's the time that the school set up for the hours. So I highly recommend coming and checking that out. You don't have to stay for the entire hour. It's just a matter of popping in, asking me the questions you have, or I can walk you through some of the technical issues if you run into problems. Then it's not until Friday that I have the scheduled hours of period 5 and period 6. So definitely take me up on the time that I'm allocating and giving you for help. Just pop in. All right, as far as what you're going to be creating, I want to show you in Canvas, and I'll show you some examples of some student work from previous years. So right here is the band project assignment sheets. I've only posted a couple of these right now. I will post more, so if you want to get ahead on stuff and you really want to see what the assignment is for anything else, let me know and I'll post them to you. Or if you wait until next week, I'll see if I can post all of them. So here on the assignment sheets, I've given you a list of what it is you're doing for the week. So you're going to start here by looking at these assignment sheets. I have a separate assignment sheet with details, with sizes, and with some tips and strategies for each one of the assignments. So the business card, I've got some information that's there. For the concert flyer, I've got some information that's there. So you don't have to create the concert flyer right now. I want you to get a chance to kind of look at this and get an idea of what that actual project component is, but you're going to be looking on Pinterest to find other examples that may inspire you. As far as the concert flyer, any of these things that have a specific application, like Illustrator, or it says use InDesign, if you don't have those, use what you have. The key thing is if you're using anything but Illustrator or InDesign, we need to make sure that the document is 300 dots per inch, or else when I print these, it may come out super blurry. And I'd like to be able to have a record of high quality work that you've done. So starting with this, you're going to sketch out the logos. You're going to create your logo in Illustrator. You're going to create your business card in InDesign. You're going to review the information on the concert flyer and pin 8 to 10 concert posters or flyers to your Pinterest board. And then you're going to record a short screencast that walks me through your rough drafts, your Illustrator logo, your business card, and your Pinterest information. So really, it's a chance for you, just in 5 minutes or less, a chance to explain to me what you worked on, what your thoughts were, what kind of problems you may have had. Whatever you want to tell me about it and show off is perfectly fine. The rest of the details and stuff are on there. If you're interested in doing the challenge assignment for this week, the challenge assignment is right here. And it's using Photoshop, or if you want to use Illustrator, whatever program you want to use, Photo P, you can use that. What I'm looking for is to have a photo grid, and it doesn't have to be 3 photos, but it should be 3 to 5 photos of photos you take, not ones you find online, of the things that have kept you, that you valued or have kept you sane during this quarantine. So totally up to you on how you want to structure it, what you want to do with it, but essentially 3 to 5 images all combined together into one completed JPEG, and that JPEG you'll turn in. This video here explains how to do the photo collaging and how to set up the margins and stuff. Totally up to you. You've had experience in a lot of other programs, so if you're more fluent in those pieces, absolutely go ahead and use it. But that is the challenge exercise for this week. And then the last thing on there is the exit slip. That's just, once again, a Google form, name, period, and then answering 3 quick questions. So that is the overview for the week. Let me show you a couple student works for band project. So for this one, this student did a full band, made a 2-sided business card, did a mock-up. That was her concert flyer. She chose to do an ad for like a bus, essentially just taking the flyer and putting that up. She set up the album cover. She set up a t-shirt design, did a mock-up with a shirt on a guy, and she asked if she could do something besides the optional ones I had, and she thought it'd be cool to have stickers, so she made a sticker set. As far as another student's approach that was less colorful but still effective was this student right here. Take just a moment. The file size is pretty big on this. Don't know if you just heard that. Got some kids screaming in the outside. That's fun. All right. So for this one, his logo, psychedelic vibes. There's his business card. There's the business card in a mock-up. There's his concert flyer. There it is out on a bus stop. There's his album cover, his t-shirt design, and his bumper sticker. And here's another student's. So there's his logo. There's his concert. There's his mock-up for the concert. He did a frisbee. He did a billboard, a t-shirt, his front and back business card. There's the mock-up for his front and back business card. For his tour bus, he decided instead of being super fancy, he thought he'd have, they were a little bit less financially secure, so they had a VW Bug. This was for a black and white advertisement in a reader magazine, for a bumper sticker, for the front and back of a album cover. And then he had a tell-all book written by Keanu Reeves, or Rianu Keeves. So those are kind of the directions that we're heading with stuff, but we're kind of breaking this off into smaller pieces as we go along. So as always, hit me up with questions. I'm totally here to help you out and clarify anything. Hope you're all doing well, and look forward to seeing what you create.